How to fix iPhone is findable and won't turn on. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is charge your iPhone for at least 30 to 60 minutes using a genuine Apple charger and cable. Try a different cable or wall adapter to rule out a faulty charger. If you have a wireless charging pad, you can use that instead. Next, clean the lighting port. Shine a flashlight into the port and gently remove any dust or lint with a non-conductive tool, like a plastic or wooden toothpick. A blocked port can prevent charging. Next off, force restart your device. While plugged in, connect your iPhone to a power, then quickly press and release the volume up button, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo. If it still won't power on, leave it charging for a few hours and confirm your charger is working. The iPhone is findable notice shows it's linked to iCloud, but without power, it can't reboot. That's it. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.